Hi, I'm Cecilia Makinde, a mindset and body wisdom coach, and I help women overcome self-doubt so that they can transition into their purpose-led business. And before joining BGA, I felt so overwhelmed and confused by Instagram. I just didn't really know how to use the platform intentionally to drive my business forward. But thankfully, after following Vanessa Lau for so long, I was like, I trust this woman because she is a no BS, really practical person, and I just want to invest in the Boss Graham Academy. And all I can say is that I am so grateful I did that. Literally within 2 weeks of signing on the program, I signed on new clients and made $2,500. And that was because she taught me so much, both from a perspective of using Instagram with intention to actually create content that drives demand, but more importantly, to develop the skills beyond that to allow me to have powerful conversations that leads to sales, to be able to do that in the DMs. She's taught me so much. And I am really, really grateful because I can genuinely say that she's helped me to be like a better business owner and increase my confidence as a coach. Because what I love about the Boss Graham Academy is that actually she teaches you so much more than just Instagram. She's teaching you how to be a boss, a business owner. And that's translated into my confidence when it comes to conversations with people, sales conversations, when it comes to onboarding new clients. I've learned how to create an opt-in. I've learned how to create a sales page, a very intentional sales page, and so much more. I'm still getting through the program because there's so many gems packed within that. And I must say, like, you get so much more value than the investment, the price that you pay for it. So, I mean, today I can say that I feel a lot more strategic with my steps. I feel like I am making decisions as an entrepreneur and not just someone that's posting, hoping that something sticks. And on top of that, I'm just really glad to have, someone that's gone on the journey and that understands what it's like to be a coach and that can therefore address your specific problems. So I would highly, highly, highly recommend that you invest in the Boss Graham Academy. And honestly, you get insights that teaches you how to build a business on a solid foundation. It's way beyond Instagram and way beyond the generic advice that you hear about hashtags or posting cute pics. It's really going beyond that so that you think about what you're doing and how that's going to help you get the results that you want, i.e. ideal clients and more money in the bank. So yes, thank you, Vanessa, and don't hesitate. I highly recommend it.